everyone, welcome back to Alleyways, or if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and if you haven't already, please make sure to join the Alleyways family, subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on post notifications. I am so happy you're here. Let's not waste much time. Today we are making boiled custard. This is a Christmas staple in my house. This is my grandma's recipe. We have it every year. It's amazing, it's easy, and it's affordable. So I'm gonna share everything that you all need, but the recipe and instructions will be in the description box down below. Let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, fam, for this recipe, all you'll need is 3 quarts of sweet milk. You can use any kind of milk. My grandma's recipe just says sweet milk. 1 large and 1 small pack of instant vanilla pudding mix, a dash of salt, 1/4 cup of sugar, a pint of whipping cream, and a teaspoon of vanilla. All right, so we have everything we need. Those are our ingredients. Let's make some boiled custard. All right, gang, this is so easy, it's not even funny. So you're gonna start by taking your vanilla pudding mix. You're gonna pour all your pudding mix in, and then you're gonna slowly start adding out of your 3 quarts of milk. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in to start. I know that doesn't look like a little bit, but we've got 3 quarts to go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your hand mixer and you're going to mix this up and slowly add the milk in. So let's go do that now. We've mixed our pudding and our milk. What we're going to do is add a little bit of salt, just a dash. And then we are going to set a timer on our phone for 5 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
And we're going to mix the entire 5 minutes. At this point, what you're going to do is add in your 1/4 cup of sugar and your teaspoon of vanilla. And then once you add both of these things in, what you're going to do is set a 3-minute timer. And you're going to just beat this mixture for 3 more minutes. So let's go do that now.
3 minutes, counting down.
Okay, so this is what it's looking like now. A little runny, right? That is because our last step is to add our whipping cream. So let's go ahead and get our whipping cream in there. And I'll use a spatula to clean it all out. And then all you want to do is just mix it to where it looks well incorporated. And then you will be good to go. Now, after I mix mine, I like to chill it and it sets up a little and then serve it. I'm gonna go get this all mixed up. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done, and then we will do a taste test. All right, so our mixture's done. It should look like this. You can see the consistency is still a little runny. We're gonna let that pudding set up. So I'm gonna transfer this to a pitcher, put it in the fridge, and then, I don't know if you can hear, my niece is here, so we have a special guest for the taste test. Brought in a special helper for our taste test. Can you say hi? Oh, she's excited to try it. You ready? All right, we've got our boiled custard. Do you like it? Yeah, I think the smile says it all. So once your boiled custard is ready, you can serve it and sprinkle a little nutmeg on top. That's what we like to do, but you don't even need any. As you can see, it's ready to go. All right, let's go sign off. Say bye. Bye-bye. Say Merry Christmas. Oh, you guys all got kisses. You're so lucky. All right, guys, that's it for our boiled custard. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch and allowing me to share this special recipe with you all. If you make it, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you love it. Like I said, I can't imagine Christmas without boiled custard, and this one is just so good, so easy. I love you all so much. I can't wait to see you next time right here on Alleyways. Bye.